So, you're looking at Yakima rooftop cargo boxes and aren't sure which one's right for you. I'm Cody from Titan Truck, and here's what you need to know. In this video, we're going to compare and contrast 3 cargo box offerings from Yakima: the CBX, the SkyBox Carbonite, and the Rocketbox. Now, one thing you'll notice about most of Yakima's cargo boxes is that their carrying capacity is built into the name. For example, the CBX 18 has 18 cubic feet of cargo capacity. The Rocketbox 14 has 14 cubic feet, so on and so forth. Do I need to further explain? I didn't think so. So what are the differences between the CBX, SkyBox, and Rocketbox? Before we get into that, let's talk about the one thing they all have in common: the SKS, or single key system. All Yakima boxes and racks utilize this system, meaning that with just one key, you can lock and access all of your Yakima gear. No more multiple keys. Okay, now for the differences. The first is the look. The CBX has a more edgy, rugged, hardcore look with sharper lines and more angles, with its matte black finish, black chrome badging, and texture adding a nice premium touch. Meanwhile, the SkyBox has a much more traditional, sleek, aerodynamic look. Now, Yakima claims it has a matte finish, but here at Titan, we think it looks a little more like a textured gloss. And this one comes with the traditional red Yakima badging. And the Rocketbox? Well, it's probably your most traditional and basic of the 3, offering a standard texture finish and traditional red Yakima badging. Still quite functional, maybe just not as fashionable. Okay, so looks aren't everything. Or are they? Well, if you care about more than just looks, then let's talk about the capacity. Each style has a range of capacity with a bit of overlap. The Rocketbox comes in 11 and 14 cubic foot capacity, making it well suited for small SUVs or vehicles with minimal roof space. The CBX is offered in 16 or 18 cubic foot capacities. And lastly, the SkyBox has the widest range of capacities, coming in at 12, 16, 18, and 21 cubic feet. Now that we've talked about the look and capacity, let's talk about structure and engineering. Math, my favorite. With its angles and lines, the CBX is probably the strongest of the 3 boxes, with less flex and more rigidity in the design. I mean, you can tell when opening the lid that this box is extremely well engineered. The internal lid stiffeners add to its durability and give it an easy open and close. Moreover, the easy grab handle locks gear inside and locks the box onto your vehicle. Another feature of the CBX is the unobstructed flat floor design. The torque limiting knobs are removable, meaning they won't take up space and won't snap off. This is a major improvement over the old days, when knobs would break and you'd lose the ability to use your box until you bought replacements. The CBX also features interior tie-down points for securing your gear inside the box and opens from either side, allowing for maximum accessibility. As a side note, the CBX also has an optional solar panel, allowing you to make good use of all that lid space. It provides a 36-watt, 5-volt output with 2 USB ports, enough juice for charging phones, tablets, cameras, maybe even a laptop. Personally, I like the beard trimming feature built in the front of the box. Wait, was that not a factory engineered design?
No.
Alright, well, on to the SkyBox. Like the CBX, the SkyBox also opens from either side. Its lid features internal stiffeners as well to make opening and closing easier with less flex. It also features what Yakima calls a super latch, ensuring the lid is secured to the base. Super latch. Moreover, the design is more aerodynamic, reducing drag and wind noise. There are no tools required to install or remove it from your vehicle, and it fits on Yakima's square, round, factory, and aerodynamic bars. Lastly, the Rocketbox also features accessibility from both sides, tool-free installation, and mounts on the same type of bars. Now, unlike the other 2, the security latch is actually a push button on this model. However, unlike the SkyBox or CBX, the Rocketbox doesn't feature integrated lid stiffeners. However, all 3 include limited lifetime warranties from Yakima, and both the SkyBox Carbonite and CBX are made right here in the USA. Which leads me right into the last difference between these rooftop cargo boxes: price. What, you mean you don't have unlimited money? As you probably guessed, the Rocketbox is the least expensive of the 3, ranging in price from $469 to $549 at the time this video was made. The SkyBox, meanwhile, ranges in price from $629 to $779, while the CBX ranges from $979 to $1499 at the time this video was made. So there you have it. If you want more specifications on these boxes, you can visit titantruck.com for individual product details. Or for a quick summary of the differences between each box, click on the link in the video description for a handy, simple chart. I guess the video description's like over here now. Now, Titan Truck is the Northwest's largest stocking dealer of Yakima cargo boxes and racks. So if you live in the Pacific Northwest, we can ship a box to you quickly and affordably. If you have any questions about the Rocketbox, SkyBox, CBX, or any other Yakima products, reach out to us using the information on the screen to talk to our team of experts. If you like this video, like this video. If you want to see more of our content, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you get an update when we post a video. You can find us on Facebook at facebook.com/TitanTruck or on Instagram at TitanTruckSpokane. I'm Cody, and I will see you next time.